What's going on, WPR fam? It's your boy TP. Welcome to all the new people and welcome back to all the OGs. So in this video, me, Alex, and the dogs are taking a little hike to the back of our property, which we don't go to very much. What we found back there was very surprising, so stay tuned for that. Also along the way, we also look for new cactus species, anything I could try to propagate. Different trees that we didn't know were around, and we do find some stuff, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, everybody.
WPR Ranch, there's a sky glowing, full of power living, yeah, we off the grid, oh, 40 acres where the wild winds dance, welcome to the life out of WPR Ranch, WPR Ranch, hear the coyotes cry, open house growing.
No, you didn't. Oh, I do see a cactus here.
Terry did.
Oh, maybe it's not. Maybe it's not a cactus. I thought one of these little teeny bushes. Dang, it's washy over here.
You don't think I should paint it though? I'm just thinking like
This washy wash sand right here. I mean, you could. You just got. Ain't no cats follow us. Jeez, that tree is crazy looking. No.
power on. Bluetooth mode.
Is that a cow bone?
Where is the cow bone?
Right there.
Wait, is it bone?
That look like a bone.
Go get that. Give me this one. Watch out for the spider.
I don't see it. Yep. Dang, something got ate out here.
So then where's the rest of it?
Right, where's the skull and stuff so I can get that too? Right, somebody died out there. That's possible. One of the coyotes. This cactus. That one's huge.
Can I just take some?
I will, yeah. Not today. It's a cat claw. Yep, there's the spikes. Cat claw. Oh, you tired now?
You really didn't get that far.
We ain't gone nowhere yet. I'm looking for new cactus species that I didn't know we had.
So that we're
It's hard too because you don't know what part is going to get washed out or not.
Y'all got high spots, but is there wash pods? Ain't no other pods.
That's crazy. This is a cat claw.
Branches, so those not
That's juniper, but I don't know how to propagate
able
it.
to take out.
I don't know how to propagate it yet. This is the area I was coming to because I know this is where all the cholas be at anyway, over here near this fence line. Yeah, and we not. That's what I'm saying. We need to be in the cactus business. Start our own cactus farm. Look, I see so many of them. They're everywhere.
Look at these two.
Oh, they love this tree. What is this? Oh, it's a juniper.
Shut up.
Yeah, look at the juniper berries. Look at the juniper berries.
It is.
Hella juniper
That's
berries.
crazy.
Why we ain't never seen this
Wait a
before?
second. How did we not see this?
Jason.
Oh my God, he's having a field day. Come on, Jason. Oh shit. Oh,
Bruh.
shit. Jason.
Look around the area. You see any other little junipers? Dang, we got a juniper tree.
A big one. That's weird that we didn't see it. What did we
Ever.
think it was? Probably one of those sticky bush. Jason!
This is last night fresh. That's juniper, but I don't know how to propagate it. I don't know how to propagate it yet. Where's that willow tree that I took from?
Oh, on the other side of the hill.
Oh, why is it?
Some of it.
Who knocked it down? Somebody knocked this.
People, whoever purchased this.
Who did this? Hold this. Hold this. I need to fix this. Jason, get on that side. Oh, it broke.
Okay, so they did 4 rows, but their splits are like that's more than 5 feet. That's like 16 feet.
That's why it broke.
For as long as it has been.
See any rocks? Big rocks.
I was like, oh wait, oh I gotta look that way too. Because once they move in, they mind their manners.
Right, don't nobody better not be coming on this. So now I got,
Dang.
that's a whole nother fence project.
But
And it's fart. Dang. I'm over here thinking the back half is secure. That's literally probably why we have an influx in cows.
their footprint
Yep.
right through there. Wait, so how are they coming through here? Because this wasn't down.
It was a second ago.
No, that's not the one that you put up though.
Yeah, but the whole thing was laying down. It's crazy. We ain't running into no snakes.
Right, I'm looking. But they also blend in, so.
I mean, I feel like we would have heard them. Somebody playing, Alex. Somebody left to open this gate.
It better been somebody official.
Bruh, that's how these cows is wandering around? With a sign that says, please keep great. Hold this.
Yep. I don't see any footprints.
I see a trail print. Something was over here, somebody or something. Cause look at the way this dirt is. That's fresh. How we can see this? Damn, what happened to the gate? Yeah, like a car rammed it. Oh, it's knocked down, knocked down. Somebody trying to start a fire too? Oh, it ain't even no barbed wire. Somebody cut it, cut it.
Yeah. Oh, it's open.
That's what I thought. But this isn't our gate. And we're right on the antenna line. So yeah, it could have been a service because there's another gate over there.
Better had been a service.
Because this is
Trespassing.
wait.
That's the type that opens.
Yeah, it's got to be some kind of thing with it. This is interesting though. Teeny tiny one?
Yeah, that's like the Home Depot.
We got those everywhere.
That is cute. Dang, they are everywhere for real.
Oh, damn it. I didn't even see that one.
They're all right here.
Oh.
They're so small. Look at it. Directly in front of you now.
literally
You
didn't
can't
see
look
this one
out.
right here.
You can't look outwards. No more.
Cemetery. Watch out, Jason.
Oh my gosh. Nikki, you gotta come get some.
Oh my God, Terry, watch out.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, there's the baby ones right here.
6, 7 of them.
Okay.
everywhere.
So maybe we shouldn't walk your
Oh,
footprints back out.
Only thing that came through here is animals.
Oh my god.
This is unmanned territory. Is our pine tree still over here? He's like, are y'all as exhausted as I am from this? Yeah, this is the edge right here. We're gonna have to either go that way or that way. Top of the world, baby. I know the cows be over here. Who's that? Who's in the ghost? Is that TJ? Hi, TJ.
You can't see us. Oh, he's waving left.
Oh, somebody tired. Come on, be on the last leg, guys. Oh, there's the shooting range.
That's you. What up, yo?
Yep. Damn. Put working on this thing. I gotta shovel some more dirt behind this. There needs to be steps right here.
WPR Ranch, there's a sky glowing. Full of power living, yeah, we off the grid.